Hey there, it's Anna. Today we are tackling a challenge that many men face: how to sexually attract women you just met. It's all about creating that instant spark, a connection that goes beyond just surface level interaction. We will dive into the key behaviors, techniques, and body language cues that can make a significant impact from the very first meeting. By the end of this video, you will have practical strategies to create a magnetic attraction, making your first impressions count. Stay tuned until the end for a compelling bonus tip that's essential in the art of attraction. This tip will add a captivating edge to your approach, making your interactions even more intriguing. It's a game changer you won't want to miss. Clothing that enhances masculinity. Let's begin our guide on attracting women with a fundamental aspect: your attire. The first point is about choosing clothing that enhances masculinity, focusing on how your wardrobe can impact initial impressions. Your choice of clothing can play a significant role in how you are perceived, especially in sexual attraction context. Wearing attire that accentuates masculine features can be a powerful tool that doesn't necessarily mean dressing overly muscular or rugged. Rather, it's all about choosing clothing that fits well, complements your body shape, and projects a sense of confidence. It could be a well-tailored suit that highlights your shoulders, a casual outfit that fits just right, or even accessories that add a masculine touch. The key is to wear something that makes you feel confident and enhances your natural features. When selecting your attire, consider what works best for your body type and personal style. Clothes that are too loose or too tight can be unflattering. Opt for clothing that comfortably fits and complements your physique. Pay attention to the details like the cut of a shirt or the style of your shoes. These elements should collectively convey a sense of self-assuredness and style. Remember, the goal is to feel confident in your outfit, as this confidence is often what is most attractive. Maintaining a seductive distance. This is about finding the right balance in physical space to foster intimacy and anticipation. The space you keep between yourself and a woman you've just met can greatly influence the level of sexual attraction. Being too distant might come off as disinterest, while being too close can be overwhelming. The key is to maintain a distance that is close enough to create a sense of intimacy, yet far enough to allow a build-up of anticipation. This seductive distance invites a subtle tension, a kind of unspoken invitation that keeps her intrigued and wanting more. To achieve this balance, be mindful of her comfort with proximity. Start by respecting her personal space and gradually decrease the distance. As you engage in conversation, engage her receptiveness. Use this proximity to create moments of closeness, like leaning in to share a comment or to listen more intently. Then pull back slightly to maintain that sense of anticipation. This dance of distance plays a crucial role in building sexual tension, making your interactions more exciting and dynamic. Using cologne to enhance appeal. Now let's talk about the strategic use of cologne. It's not just about smelling good, but choosing and applying a scent that enhances your natural appeal. The right cologne can be a powerful tool in sexual attraction. It's not merely about masking natural odors, it's about complementing them with a fragrance that enhances your presence. A good cologne can make you much more memorable and can subtly increase your attractiveness. The key is to find a scent that suits your personal style and body chemistry, one that isn't overpowering but leaves a pleasant impression. When selecting a cologne, consider fragrances that align with your personality and the impression that you want to make. It could be a fresh, energetic scent for a lively personality, or a more subdued, sophisticated fragrance if that's more your style. Apply it sparingly. A little really does go a long way. The goal is for your cologne to be discovered, not announced. Apply it to pulse points like your wrists and your neck, where the warmth of your body can gently release the fragrance. This subtle application makes your scent an inviting part of your overall presence. Grooming and personal hygiene. This aspect is often basic but has a significant impact on initial impressions. Grooming and personal hygiene are fundamental elements of attraction. They are not just about looking good, but also about showing respect for yourself and others. Good grooming practices conveys that you take care of yourself and pay attention to details. This includes well-maintained hair, clean and trimmed nails, fresh breath, and overall cleanliness. These practices indicate that you value yourself and by extension, the people you interact with. Women often notice these details and they interpret them as signs of a well-organized and considerate individual. So focus on establishing a consistent grooming routine. Ensure your hair is clean and neatly styled. Your facial hair is well groomed or cleanly shaven if you prefer, and your nails are clean and trimmed. Oral hygiene is also crucial, so regular brushing, flossing, and perhaps a mouthwash can keep your breath fresh. Remember, the goal isn't to overdo it, but to present yourself in a way that shows you put the thought and the effort into your appearance. And this level of care in your grooming and hygiene can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, a quick like and a comment would be fantastic. I'm eager to hear your perspectives and experiences, and it really does help the algorithm. Subtle sexual confidence. Next, let's talk about the art of projecting subtle sexual confidence. It's a crucial element in attraction that involves balancing assertiveness with approachability. Sexual confidence is about more than just being forwards or bold. It's about exuding a quiet assurance in your sexual identity and interactions. This type of confidence is attractive because it signals that you are comfortable with who you are and what you want without actually being aggressive or overbearing. It's reflected in your body language, your speech, and even your approach to flirting. Subtle sexual confidence doesn't overwhelm, instead it intrigues and invites interest. To project this kind of confidence, focus on being self-assured rather than self-centered. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and engage in conversations with a calm and relaxed demeanor. Your confidence should come through in how you express yourself and interact with her. Show that you are comfortable in your skin and with the topic of sexuality, but always keep the conversation respectful and attuned to her comfort level. Remember, true sexual confidence is about creating a space where both you and her feel comfortable and engaged. Confident open body language. Now let's explore how this non-verbal communication can make a powerful first impression. Body language speaks volumes, especially in the realm of attraction. Confident open body language includes maintaining an upright posture, keeping your arms uncrossed, and using gestures that indicate openness and interest. This type of body language projects self-assurance and approachability, making you more inviting and attractive. It communicates that you are comfortable in the situation and with yourself, which can be very appealing. It's all about being present in the interaction, showing that you are engaged and interested. To effectively use confident open body language, be mindful of your posture and your gestures. Stand tall, relax your shoulders, and avoid closed off positions like crossed arms or hunched shoulders. When interacting, lean slightly forwards to show interest, use hand gestures to express yourself, and maintain appropriate eye contact. These subtle cues can significantly impact how you are perceived and can create a welcoming, confident aura. The goal is to use your body language to complement your verbal communication, creating a coherent and attractive presence. Bonus point. A pivotal bonus tip in the context of sexually attracting women is cultivating an aura of mystery and intrigue. This subtle approach can significantly heighten attraction, so let's delve into how a sense of mystery can be intriguing and why it's a powerful tool in sexual attraction. Creating an aura of mystery involves revealing just enough about yourself to pique her interest, while still leaving some things to the imagination. It's about being confident and open, yet not disclosing every detail of your life immediately. This approach can be as simple as being thoughtful about what you share, allowing for pauses in conversations and showing varied aspects of your personality, but not laying all your cards on the table at once. You create a sense of curiosity and allure. Women often find the process of gradually uncovering the layers of a person's character deeply attractive and engaging. Cultivating mystery and intrigue makes the process of getting to know you more exciting and engaging. It adds a layer of depth to your interactions and often leads to more dynamic and captivating connection. Now, this strategy not only piques her interest, but also keeps the connection alive and evolving. After exploring these attraction secrets, why not check out the things that women secretly sexually crave, or delve into the signs that a girl is trying to build sexual tension with you? Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.